Hi, welcome to Yarn Again. I appreciate you stopping by. Today I'm going to unveil my Mystery Box Challenge yarn that I just got in the mail. I'm so excited. This Mystery Box Challenge is Mystery Yarn Challenge 123, hosted by Armchair Chef. Her link will be in the description. Is where you randomly are picked to match up with somebody. You send your yarn to that person, and whoever's picked for you sends you yarn, and you have to make something out of that yarn. And you get 3 to 4 colors depending on your person that sends it to you. And when you get done, you send in your pictures, and Armchair Chef, and there's a vote at the end to see who wins with the best product for what they've got. So here we go. I took it out of the paper so it doesn't crinkle. Here's my colors for January 23. Aren't they pretty? Don't you just love this green? I believe it's an olive green. And this is the white. They're cotton blends. And this is the rust. I love this pumpkin-y rust color. And they are from Cecilia M., one of my new yarny friends. And it's from the Kramer's, Kramemer company. And yeah, I'll put that in the description. I don't want to mess, I don't know how to say that. And this is a 2-ply yarn, cotton. And it's nice and soft for cotton. Sometimes I find cotton a little itchy. This is an acrylic blend. Look at that, it's got the white speckles in there. This is, I would say, a 4. It's nice. And it's soft. Then we have this. It's a little thinner than the rust color one. But I'm going to mix this white in with these 2 colors and try to make something. Right now I'm deciding what to make. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of the green, which is really nice because that is one of my favorite colors. And 2 of these whites. And these each have, this is the only one that has a tag. This has 194 yards. So that's a nice amount. And I have 2 of those. So that'll be awesome. And then these are not marked, but I'm pretty sure they're pretty close to the same amount. And this orange has the speckles. You see the speckles of the orange in there, and then there's some white speckles in there. It's really nice yarn. I'm so excited to get started. I had to put this on right away. I just got it in today's mail. And she was so kind enough to send stitch markers too. And purple and green. I like those colors as well. I got the nicest little letter. I'm not going to read it out because I don't know if she wants me to. But her kind words are deeply appreciated. And all the information that she gave me on the yarns, saying where they came from the Kramer, K-R-A-E-M-E-R, Kramer. And that the green is green moss, and this is a burnt orange. And it's really nice to have how much information she relayed on the mixture of the yarns, being cotton and acrylic, just the cotton, and a cotton blend, mostly acrylic here. It was really nice. I really appreciate that, Cecilia, which is also known on the good YouTube streets as Not Too Old to Be Crafty, which is really a good thing for me too. So thank you very much, Not Too Old to Be Crafty, Cecilia. I look forward to working with these lovely yarns, and I hope to see you again at my YouTube channel, and I'll see you in the YouTube streets. If you like this, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and please share it. I'm trying to get to 100 subscribers. Thank you and have a great day.